Welcome to our tutorial on the Sage Video List feature. In this video, you will learn how to use the List tool to create, cite, share, and embed lists which can be revisited at any time. Lists provide a way for you to gather content on a specific topic or for a particular purpose and group your favorites into collections. The link to Sage Video can typically be found on your library's website, either in an A to Z database list or on a discipline-specific page. If you have questions about how to access Sage Video at your institution, please contact your library. To create a list, you must first sign into your profile. You can then go to the My Lists page by clicking on your name in the top right corner and clicking the View My Lists button. Click the Create List button and you will be asked to give a name and short description to your list. Lists are private by default, but can also be made public, shared, and embedded for group learning. Once you've completed this step, you can start to look for content on Sage Video to add to your list. You can add content to your list from the search results page, or directly from the content display page. You can create a new list from this pop-up box or add to an existing one. You can edit your own lists saved in Sage Video. To edit a list, visit the My Lists page as shown earlier. This will enable you to change the name or the description and toggle between private and public. If a list is made public, it can be embedded to your learning management system or web page by copying the embed code into the HTML editor on the page. To grab the embed code, click the Copy to Clipboard button. To collaborate with others, you can easily share your list via email. Lists are a great tool for easily citing all of your Sage Video content at once. Click the Cite All button to export citations to the reference manager of your choice, including EndNote, Reference Manager, ProCite, RefWorks, BibTeX, Zotero, and Medlars. We hope you found this tutorial useful.